So this tree right here is all fisherman stuff on it. Lots of traps. See that? Lots of traps. It's all lit up. You can see a lobster at the top. I'll zoom in.
I can believe that he tried.
Hi, I'm Fernanda. If this is your first time here, James and I travel to different states to take you to the attractions, resorts, and restaurants. Subscribe if you like to see our next video, and leave a comment if you got value out on this video.
Hello, we're here in Newport, Rhode Island, and we're just checking out the Christmas lights. And we're on American Cup Avenue right now. The man is waving. So this is probably the last night these lights will be on during the Christmas season. Walk up. So all the trees are decorated in here in white. And we got all this side. Hate that. Get music playing on the outside.
We have to see if people actually look. We have to see if this actually is something going on. Look at that. European macaroons.
Yeah.
I wonder if this is what? Why aren't they selling that? One thing we're sure of is all this paint on the ground. Look at all the paint on the ground. Isn't that the natural paint?
This is bird dew.
The natural paint.
Yeah, bird dew.
Yeah, the natural paint.
We've got a Christmas tree over here. The Visitors Information Center. So, take a look through the window. The Christmas tree. The toy soldiers. So we're looking at store decoration. Deer here. Santa Claus.
That guy looks like a 007, James.
And a pretty nice tree.
Adults and kids. Christmas sequence. Snowman. Nice looking snowman. A large one and a little one.
Yeah.
And the reindeer is also made of knit. A knitted reindeer. Knitted reindeer.
They're closing up. Almost 5 o'clock. This is looking from the other end. And then the window shopping. It's a little alleyway.
made in tax-free gemstone jewelry. Oh, this, did you see the angels
The
down
beds
here?
from Italy, which means it costs. Boy, there's an awful lot of these guys here, of all sizes and different sizes, guys. Some skinny legs. Some very skinny legs. Christmas stuff is on 40%. James. 40%.
American Cup.
Is this where you check into this place?
I don't know.
I got the little guy moving.
Yeah.
Oh, the little guys are moving on the staircase. This is America's Cup place. It's very what do I call it? Old
English type thing.
old
Yeah.
English stuff. There's a dining here that you get your coffee and you get your breakfast in here. This is your breakfast room.
It's all blocked off.
Still breakfast lunch. Duck bones over here. Yeah, Gregory brought us in here once. A long time that he was on here. Some people in there, that's it. It's just one little table. Just one little table with people in there. $20 for those shirts. Oh, yeah, $20 for this shirt. But this is a knitted shirt. It's cute. It's knitted. Oh, look at all the hats. A hat of every kind.
Drink up Grinch.
Huh?
It says drink up Grinch.
That other place has lots of salad, lots of mac and cheese, lots of tacos, lots of more.
So I'm standing right next to Starbucks, and we're going to continue with Thames Street, and this goes way down there. Yes, I know. So we'll be crossing the street pretty soon to get to the other side. This is Bourne's Wharf. A lot of Christmas lights.
Flying with us today. Private charters to the islands. Private charters to the islands, huh? Primavera. This place is called Primavera. That's spring. It's called Primavera. They're already closed. They might just be opening for Primavera. Next spring, there's no telling when it's open.
There's some hearts here too.
There's no sign. All the little furry dogs with a flower in their mouth. Christmas hot cocoa bar. Wow. The Bowen's Wharf. It's lit up, all right. Look over there on the other side. Red and white light.
Oh yeah, it's really lit up.
That's that building over there says North Pole. See that? North Pole?
Yeah, it feels like the North Pole.
Yeah, see, just see it says North Pole.
Yeah. So it's pretty cold. We're not gonna walk down
Is
anymore.
anybody down here? It's too cold.
Boy,
That's the last restaurant.
Yeah, the shipboard there looks like it's lit up in the camera in blue.
Yeah?
Yeah, so take a look.
Uh-huh.
Here we are. Made it to the North Pole. And the temperature certainly is the North Pole.
Oh, there's smoke coming out of that chimney. Look at the white clothing, everything white. Look how fancy it is. Dress up stuff. Very dressy.
Restaurant.
Clothing and accessories for fabulous women.
There's our Christmas lights in here. Christmas trees. A whole bunch.
Another restaurant. There's a whole bunch of restaurants here. I don't know if anybody's in them. Too cold to come out. Eat your oh, this place over here. Diego, they advertise this place.
An igloo. Yes, you can have food in there. It's got a table.
I don't know who's gonna be eating in here.
I don't know. It might be warm. Might be heated.
Yeah, this is Diego. Oh, look at all the glass stuff. Look,
Yeah.
look at the flowers made of glass.
Yeah. And all the bumblebees.
Oh, I think the flowers are even more so. Look at that.
Outside.
I think it's better.
Oh. These globes spin around. These globes spin around.
Oh, look at all the globes. Oh, this one. It's the Earth.
Spin around. They all turn. It's pretty neat.
It was a bunch of young women, but they're probably gonna go someplace to eat or something.